In this video, I'm going to show you how to rename a file in Bluebeam Studio. Now, there's actually no button to directly do this. However, there's a workaround. It's not the most convenient, but it works. So as you can see here inside my session, I have one document, which is just called Floor Plan 111, and that's kind of a crazy name, so I'm going to rename this. And to do this, you basically have to save it, rename it, and re-upload it. So I'm going to click on right-click up here, click on Save As, and then I'm just going to rename it into rename. There we go, quite original. Then I'm going to save it inside my downloads folder here and click on save. And there we go. As you can see, it's still not changed. So I first have to remove this one. I'm not going to actually save it. So I'm going to click yes and no. And then I want to upload a new file, which is going to be rename and open. And as you can see, it's going to open up the exact same file. However, this time it's been renamed into rename.pdf. So that's essentially the only way to rename it. But to be able to do this, you must be the owner of your session and downloading must be on, okay? Of course, you can be an attendee as well, but as long as downloading and saving is enabled here inside permissions, you'll be able to do this and then re-upload the file with a different name. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.